everyone. Myself Vicky Kalvinder Singh Chatter, and I am the CEO of National Engineering Work, which is located in Ulhasnagar, Maharashtra. National Engineering Work is established in the year of 2015, and we are the prominent manufacturer of all kind of roll forming machineries like POP fall sealing machines, C-channel making machines, roof sheet making machines, roller shutter making machines. Apart from this, we also manufacture the food processing units as well as packing machines. The main motive of National Engineering Work is to satisfy its customer with its product at very reasonable price as compared to any other manufacturer in India. Let's have a short survey of our workshop where we manufacture the various part of our machines. As you done the survey of our machine workshop, if you have any inquiry regarding any of our machineries or any of our products, you can directly contact me on the given number, and I will make sure that you will get the best service from our company. Thank you so much for visiting to our company profile.